DJT stock analysis tomorrow and onward. Am I buying? Covering all this in this short 1 minute video. Notice how Trump media stock just keeps going up, which is actually interesting to say the least. Look at it from a daily chart. Actually, let's check out the weekly. This whole week has been just a good 50% increase in price. And I'm looking to double down from a day/swing trade perspective. I'm actually kind of surprised, man. Like, I'm surprised. I was never able to, I'm kind of late on this whole train here, but if the opportunities present themselves, I'm not going to be letting the train go past me again, so how is that going to look like? Personally, for myself, if it pulls down and gives me a decent double break on like a 15 to 5 minute chart, then I'm great. I want my rules met, first of all. So yeah, if you want to learn the strategy, you want to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.